In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link Steam with YouTube account. Before we get started, it's important to know that Steam does not currently support a direct YouTube account connection in the same way some other platforms allow you to link accounts. So if you're looking for a built-in button that connects Steam and YouTube automatically, that option isn't available right now. However, there is still a simple way to add your YouTube channel to your Steam presence so other people can find it from your profile. To begin, open Steam and go to your profile. This is the main area where your public account information is displayed, including your bio, featured content, and any custom details you want other users to see. If your goal is to share your YouTube channel with friends, followers, or people visiting your Steam page, this is the right place to do it. Once you're on your profile, click Edit Profile. This will open the profile customization settings where you can change different parts of how your Steam page looks and what information appears on it. Take your time here, because this is where you'll be making the update that helps connect people to your YouTube content. Next, look for the custom info box or the summary section. In one of these areas, paste the link to your YouTube channel. This is the best workaround for linking your YouTube presence with Steam, since it gives visitors a direct path to your channel, even though the two accounts are not officially integrated. If you want the link to be easier for people to notice, the summary section can be a good choice because it's often one of the first places people read on a profile. The custom info box can also work well if you want to separate that information from the rest of your profile details. After pasting in your YouTube channel link, save your profile changes. This final step is important because your update won't appear on your profile until it has been saved. Once that's done, anyone viewing your Steam profile will be able to see the information you added and use it to visit your YouTube channel. So while Steam doesn't offer direct YouTube linking, adding your channel link to your profile is the easiest and most effective alternative. It's quick, simple, and a practical way to promote your content through your Steam account.